Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Okay, so we're looking at two super-automatic espresso machines, both renewed, right? The Breville Oracle Touch and the Jura Z10, both from Amazon renewed.
Yep, let's dive in. The Breville is listed as silver and weighs a hefty 37.3 pounds, while the Jura is only 1 pound. That seems off, right?
Definitely a typo on the Jura weight, I would bet. The Breville is also bigger, dimension-wise almost 18 inches tall. What about features?
Okay, the Breville boasts a touchscreen, integrated grinder, and automatic milk texturing. It even lets you save personalized coffee settings. Oh, and it has a dual boiler system.
Fancy. The Jura also has a touch display, but it seems to highlight its product-recognizing grinder, which automatically adjusts for different coffee types. Plus, it does cold brew. That's pretty cool.
Cold brew is a nice touch. The Jura also mentions an 8th-generation brewing unit with 3D brewing technology. Sounds like they're both trying to maximize aroma extraction.
Right. The Breville has a bigger water tank, 67 ounces compared to, well, the Jura doesn't actually list its water tank capacity here. That's a bit annoying.
Yeah, that's not ideal. The Breville also lists a bean hopper capacity of 1/2 pound. No mention of that for the Jura either, which is not good.
Okay, big difference. Customer reviews. The Breville has a pretty terrible rating of 2.5 stars from 2 ratings, and one review mentions receiving a used machine with gym weights in the package. Yikes!
Oh wow, that's a major red flag. The Jura has an even worse rating of 1 star from 1 review. So both are renewed products with pretty bad customer feedback at the moment.
Yeah, neither is inspiring a lot of confidence right now. Both are currently unavailable too, which makes this a bit academic.
True. But if Seether came back in stock, I'd say proceed with extreme caution given those reviews. I'd be digging deeper into what renewed actually means in this case, and making sure I understood Amazon's return policy very well.
Definitely. Based on specs alone, the Jura's cold brew is tempting, but those customer reviews are a huge turnoff for both. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.